Hey everyone, my name is Katherine Armstrong, and today I'm on the hunt for outdoor activities to do in the Fredericksburg area. I'm going down to city docks to kayak on the Rappahannock River. Alright, I'm running out. Come on! City Docks is only 2 miles away from the UW campus. A simple run, walk, or bike will get you here quick. Located right off of Sophia Street, this is the place to go for easy water access. Fredericksburg has many local shops to get all of your active supplies to ensure a safe and fun time. Alright guys, this has been City Docks. Thanks for running out with me, and I hope you run out too.